Hey, welcome back to Dicking Around Outdoors. Today we have a bit of an update on the channel on something that's going on. And the bottom line is, for the next few weeks, we're probably going to be a bit thin on new content. If you've watched our channel over the last 6 or 7 months, you've probably noticed that I've developed a bit of a limp. And the reason is that my right knee during a camp out trip decided to say sayonara, and it has totally gone away on me. And tomorrow, probably about the time you watch this video, I will be getting a total knee replacement in my right knee, which will require me to go through a lot of physical therapy over the next few weeks, and will most likely keep me from making much new content. Now, we're going to try to get as much out as we can, but we're going to be pretty limited. We'd hope to have a lot of content from the trip back from Mexico, but as you've seen, the Grenadier didn't make the trip with us, so we ended up flying. And that sort of took that idea out of the window. So anyway, we're going to see what we can do. We'll be back as soon as we can, but I wanted to let you know what was going on and why we weren't posting much new content. Look forward to seeing you when we're back in action. And in the meantime, take a look at some of our older videos. You may find some content that you haven't seen before. And we look forward to catching up with you when the time comes to get back in the game. Thanks for all your support, and we look forward to seeing you outdoors.